Your health goes where you drive it. If you want to keep yourself fit and healthy, you would have to take action accordingly. It is always said that eat healthy food and a balanced diet, but for the sake of your health, you need to go the extra mile. You must take good food at the time it will be good for your body. For meals that are thought good and healthy, if you take them at late night, they can cause stomach strains and disorder of sleep. Further, sleep problems open more severe problems for the human body. It causes weight gain and affects the body mass index. Here are the 5 selected foods you must avoid taking late at night. 1. Red meat. Taking a steak, kebab, or some spicy barbecue which is made with red meat can destroy the sweetness of your sleep. Maybe it makes you turn and toss in the bed. Red meats contain high amounts of fats and proteins which take very long to get digested and therefore keep you awake deprived of sleep. So, better avoid red meat products at late night. 2. Cheesy food. The high amount of cheese in pizza and Zinger burgers are very tasty, but the fact is that they can make your sleep vanish. Though cheese is considered good for health and sleep, however, taking it at late night makes the digestion process slow and uncomfortable, and therefore it becomes unhealthy for your sleep, your digestion system, and ultimately your body. 3. Coffee. Caffeine in the coffee can leave you awake, rolling over from one side to the other, in your bed the whole night. It has a temporary stimulating effect which compromises deep sleep, which ultimately causes a lack of sleep and keeps one tired in the day. 4. Fried and fatty. When I would name these things, you would get your mouth watered instantly wishing to eat these foods at the moment, but beware. Do you know eating fried nuggets, fried chips, and burgers are actually high-calorie junk foods? They take very long to be digested, and especially at night, eating them is a disaster for your stomach. So avoid them at night at least and contribute towards being a healthy you. 5. Chocolates. Enjoying chocolates at night is actually not enjoying, it is losing, and yes, it is losing health. Dark chocolates are rich in caffeine and theobromine which keep you awake for hours. On the other side, milk chocolates are also full of sugar and fats. Both are enough to spoil your sleep, make you sleep deprived, lower in energy in the daytime, as well as cause different kinds of digestion problems. Normally, a good food with a good amount of proteins and vitamins is recommended to eat, and foods with cholesterol, fats, and fried foods are not recommended to eat. However, you must know about the foods which, despite being considered good foods, are not suitable to eat before sleep. These foods take a long time for digestion and therefore may keep you sleepless, rolling over on the bed the whole night. If you care about your sleep, let's learn about these foods.